Australia is surrounded by one of the most diverse and ecologically rich marine environments in the world. Its coastal waters are home to a vast array of marine life, ranging from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. Australia's marine ecosystems span tropical, temperate, and subtropical zones, making it a key location for understanding marine biodiversity and the intricate relationships that sustain these ecosystems. Australia's marine territory is vast, covering over 16 million square kilometres, and it includes some of the world's most famous and biodiverse marine ecosystems, such as the Great Barrier Reef, the Ningaloo Reef, and the Rowley Shoals. These marine environments provide critical habitats for a range of species, many of which are unique to Australia. Some of the world's most iconic marine species, like the great white shark, green sea turtles, and whale sharks, are found in Australian waters. Australia's marine ecosystems include coral reefs, mangrove forests, seagrass meadows, rocky shores, and deep-sea environments, each home to an incredible diversity of life. Coral reefs are particularly important because they support over 25% of all marine species, despite covering only 0.1% of the ocean's surface. However, Australia's marine life is increasingly under threat due to a variety of factors, including climate change, overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction. These threats have led to significant declines in some species and ecosystems, requiring urgent action to ensure the future health of Australia's marine environment. In this section, we will explore the incredible diversity of marine life in Australia, including its iconic species, unique ecosystems, and the current conservation challenges facing the country's oceans. Coral reefs are one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet, and Australia is home to some of the world's most famous and ecologically important coral reefs. These vibrant underwater landscapes provide habitats for thousands of species of fish, invertebrates, and marine mammals, and they play a critical role in the health of the ocean ecosystem. The Great Barrier Reef, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, is the largest coral reef system on Earth, stretching over 2,300 kilometres along the northeastern coast of Australia. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to over 1,500 species of fish, 411 species of hard coral, and 30 species of whales, dolphins, and porpoises. It also supports 6 species of sea turtles, 17 species of sea snakes, and 1,500 species of mollusks. The reef's vibrant coral communities are primarily composed of hard corals which build the reef structures, providing critical shelter and feeding grounds for an astonishing variety of marine life. In addition to the coral, the reef is teeming with schools of colorful reef fish, pelagic fish, and large predators like sharks and rays. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the most popular dive sites in the world due to its extraordinary diversity of life and its clear, warm waters. Despite its iconic status, the Great Barrier Reef is facing significant threats from climate change, particularly coral bleaching. Rising ocean temperatures cause the corals to expel the algae living within them, resulting in the corals turning white and losing their energy source. This phenomenon has affected large portions of the reef in recent years and poses a significant risk to its long-term survival. Other threats, such as pollution, overfishing, and coastal development, also contribute to the decline of this vital ecosystem. The Ningaloo Reef, located off the coast of Western Australia, is another important marine ecosystem and one of the few places in the world where you can swim with whale sharks. This reef, which is less well known than the Great Barrier Reef, is nevertheless a UNESCO World Heritage Site and an essential habitat for a wide range of marine species. Unlike the Great Barrier Reef, which is located further out to sea, Ningaloo Reef is unique in that it is situated very close to the shore, making it easily accessible for snorkelers and divers. The reef is home to an incredible variety of species, including green turtles, mantas, stingrays, and over 250 species of fish. Its warm, nutrient-rich waters support thriving coral communities, which provide essential shelter and feeding grounds for many species of fish and invertebrates. The whale shark, the world's largest fish, migrates to Ningaloo Reef annually to feed on plankton and small fish. These gentle giants are a major draw for tourists who come from around the world to experience the opportunity to swim alongside these magnificent creatures. However, like many coral reefs, Ningaloo Reef is under threat from climate change, tourism pressure, and pollution. Conservation efforts are being made to protect the reef and its inhabitants, but ongoing research and management are needed to ensure its survival. The Rowley Shoals are a group of coral atolls located off the coast of Western Australia, known for their pristine waters and rich biodiversity. These reefs are considered some of the best preserved coral ecosystems in the world, and they support a vast array of marine life, including coral trout, tuna, sea turtles, and reef sharks. Rowley Shoals are also a critical feeding ground for migrating species like whale sharks and manta rays. The Rowley Shoals are less visited than the Great Barrier Reef, which has helped protect their ecological integrity. However, they remain vulnerable to the same threats facing other reefs in the region, particularly the impacts of ocean warming and coral bleaching.